Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix app not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, restart phone. So just click and hold power button and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, you will see a problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, so it's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so you will check your software update. Scroll down and click on system update and click on software update. You will see if software update is latest. If it not latest, after update software, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix app not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.